So children, first question is like this, children. He's saying a tap A can fill in 4 hours, the cistern. Okay, and there is another tap which can fill in 3 hours. If both of them are open together, how much time they will take together?
Sir, first tap will do in 1/4.
Okay,
Second tap will do in 1/3.
okay,
1/4 plus 1/3 is
no,
LCM is 12.
okay,
So 3 plus 4/12, 7/12 is it? So
okay,
complete the total in 12.
okay. So
So they'll complete the total in 12/7 of the time.
five, not five. So one
7, 1, 5/7 is sir.
1 5/7 hours both can fill the tank. 1 5 by 7 hours both can fill the tank. Okay, children, next question. Pravalika, are you there? No. Nandika? No. Rishikesh? No. Raghuram?
Yes, sir.
A pipe A can fill in 6 hours. Pipe B can fill in 8 hours. And if both the pipes are opened together, okay, after 2 hours, A is closed. B takes how much more time?
Sir, A is equal to 1/6.
So together, how much? 1 by A
Plus
plus,
1 by A plus 1/2.
okay,
B is equal to 1/6 plus 1/8.
okay,
24 is the LCM.
okay,
4 plus 3. 24, 4 plus 1 by T is equal to 7/24.
okay,
The total time is 24 plus 7.
okay.
Uh,
So
24
24 by 7 hours, both of them will take.
take
So this is 1 hour.
1 hour.
No, 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 no,
Tot-
no, no. So in 1 hour, how much they will do? 7 by 24.
7 by 20.
In 1 hour, how much they will do together?
7 by 20.
In 2 hours,
Uh, uh, 2 into 7 by 24, 14 by 24.
so 7 by 12, the tank is
Filled
filled.
here by VL.
Filled. If 7 by 12 the tank is filled, how much is left over?
1 minus 7 by 12. 12 is the LCM. 12 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 5 by 12 is equal.
5 by 12 of tank is left over. 5 by 12 of tank is left over. Okay. Now, A's 1 hour work is how much? A's 1 hour work is.
1 hour work is
It can fill, it's, in 1 hour, it can fill 1 by 6 of a
1
tank.
by 6. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in how many hours it can fill 5 by 12 of a tank?
Yes, sir.
Cross
1
multiplication?
into 5 by 12 is equals to 1 by 6 into x.
Okay.
6 to the 5 by 2 x can in 2.5 hours
In 2.5 hours, A can
fill 5
A na B na?
yes.
Oh,
Sir, B, sir.
no, we did wrong. A
B
is closed.
1/8, sir.
A is closed. I'm sorry. A is closed. A is closed.
Yes, sir. 1 is equals to 1/8.
No, no. B we should take. In 1 hour, B will fill how much tank?
1/8.
1 by 8. In how many hours it will fill 5 by 12 of tank?
1
Okay,
into
wait,
5.
wait. Sujit will do. Sujit, tell me cross multiplication.
1 into 5 by 12 is equal to x into 1 by 8.
Okay, 8 will go up. Tell me.
X equal to 8 into 5 by 12.
Okay. So how much? In 3 1 by 3 hours, B can fill.
1 by 3 hours.
B can fill. B can fill remaining tank. B can fill
He can fill
remaining tank.
5 by
Remaining tank. Meghna, a system can fill by tap in 6 hours. A takes 6 hours. And a leak is there which can empty it in 8 hours. If both of them are open, leak and tap, how much time it will take together? Meghna.
Yes, sir. A in 6 hours, 1 by T is equal to 1/6.
Plus or minus? This is a leak.
Minus, sir.
So So minus 1 by 8 because
1 by 8.
sequence it will go. This is filling, this is going. This is filling, this is going. So how much?
1 by t is equal to 24. 4 minus 3. 1 by t is equal to 1 by 24. 6 is equal to 24 hours. T is equal to 24 hours.
They will
Take to fill the tank.
they take to fill the tank 24 hours. They take to fill the tank 24 hours. Pravalika, fourth
Yes.
question. A pipe can fill a cistern in 6 hours. A will take 6 hours. Due to leak, it is filled in 7 hours. Due to leak, so due to leak, filling took in 7 hours due to leak. Okay, so what is this? When system is full, how much time will it be emptied? How much time will leak alone take to empty the tank?
1 by 7 is equal to
1 by together is equal to 1 by A
1 by
minus
A
1 by
minus
leak.
1 by leak.
So 1 by 7 is equal to
1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by leak.
okay,
1 by leak is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7
okay.
is equal to 7 minus 6 by 42. 1 by 4, 42 is the leak.
So leak will take 42
42
hours
hours
to empty the
is the tank.
alone. Leak will take 42 hours to empty the tank alone. Okay, next, Pravalika is there. Okay, Hansika is there. Hansika? No. So Vedant, next Vedant again. A tank has to be filled by two packs A and B. A takes 12 hours. B takes 16 hours. Okay, and third tap can empty it. Third tap is there, which is a leak, which can empty it in 8 hours. If all are turned on together, how much time they will take to fill the tank?
Sir, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 8.
1 by 16 minus 1 by 8 because this is the leak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is LCM? 12, 16 and 8?
48.
12 4s are 16
4
3s
16
are.
3s are and 8 6 are.
Okay.
7 minus 6 is 1. 48. It will take 48 hours.
Okay. So time 48 hours it will take to fill the tank if all three are open. All three are open means two are filling, one is leaking. Two are filling, one is leaking, like that, children. Okay, so like that they will take, children. Next one. Next one. Okay, so children, see here. I hope everyone are copying, children. Please copy, don't sit idle. Next, sixth question. Okay, sixth question is like that. Somari sweeps 600-meter long railway platform. 600-meter railway platform to sweep is taking 2.5 hours. His wife Imarati sweeps 2 by 3rd of the same platform. So his wife 2 by 3rd of same platform. 2 by 3rd of same platform in 1.5 hours. In 1.5 hours. Who sweeps more fast? Okay, so this is the question. Who sweeps more fast? So children, husband is sweeping 600 meters in 2.5 hours. Wife is sweeping 400 meters in 1.5 hours. Okay, who is doing fast? That is the work. Okay, children. So Sujit, Sujit. This fellow is Pravalika.
Yes, sir. 600 into.
Wait. 600 meters to sweep. They are taking 5 by 2 hours. Okay? To sweep 400 meters, it will take more time or less time? It will take more time or less time?
More time, sir.
It will take less time. It will take less
Less
time.
time.
So they are direct proportion. Tell me direct proportion. 600
by 400. 400 is equal to 5 by 2 into x.
Okay, so 2 2s are 2 3s are. So x will come up, 3 comes down, 5 by 3. Children, 5 by 3 means how much, children? 3 1s are 3. So 2, 1 2 by 3 hours. So children, 1 2 by 3 hours. Children, can anyone tell me 1 2 by 3 hours means how much, children? 1 2 by 3 hours. Children, 1 2 by 3 hours means 1 hour. 2 by 3 into 60 means children. How much children? See children, 1 hour means 60 minutes. Try to understand. 2 by 3 hours means how much children? 2 by 3 into 60, that is 40. So 100 minutes. Husband is taking 100 minutes, whereas wife is taking 60 plus 30, only 90 minutes. Try to understand. Try to understand. Husband is taking 100 minutes, whereas wife is taking only 90 minutes. So who is fast in sweeping, children? Children, husband is taking 100 minutes, wife is taking only 90 minutes. Who is fast in sweeping?
Wife.
Wife is fast in sweeping. What is this, children? Such an easy question. You are not able to tell. Vedant, what happened? Ray? You are not able to understand?
No, sir, I was able to. Actually, my mom called me for some work, so I was not here.
Meghana, did you understand? Meghana?
Yes, sir.
Pravalika?
Yes, sir.
Ravram? Okay, so like this you have to do, children. Seventh question. Spending 3 hours daily. If you work 3 hours daily, 2 kg cotton balls can be made in 12 days. 3 hours daily, if you work, 2 kg cotton balls can be made in 12 days. If you work 4 hours daily, how many? If you work 4 hours, how many days will take to make 10 kg cotton balls? How many days it will take to make 10 kg cotton balls? Okay, so see children, 12 by x is equal to, children, 2 kgs will take 12 days, 10 kgs will take more days or less days, sir? Anyone?
More days, sir.
So more days, they both are direct proportion. They both are direct proportion, so 2 by 10. Now again children, if you work 3 hours, it will take 12 days. If you work 4 hours, it will take more days or less days, sir?
Less days, sir.
Less days. Children, 3 hours if you work, it will take 12. 4 hours if you work daily, it will take definitely less days. So these both are inverse proportion. This is inverse proportion, this is direct proportion. So here 3 by 4 is given, so you should write 4 by 3. Please try to understand. Okay, children? Now, see cross multiplication. This and this goes there. 12 into 10 into 3 is equal to 2 into 4 into x. This both will go down. X is equal to 12 into 10 into 3 by 2 into 4. Okay, children, 4 3s are 2 5s are 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45 days. It will take, children, 45 days it will take, children. That is the answer. I hope you understood, children. No, sir, we didn't understand. Means one more sum like this only I will say, children. Okay, so who will tell this sum? 15 boys. 15 boys earn 900 rupees in 5 days. 15 boys earn 900 rupees in 5 days. How much 20 boys will earn? How much 20 boys will earn in 7 days? Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, 900 by x. 15 boys are earning 900 rupees. 20 boys will earn more or lesser?
Sir,
15 boys are getting 900. 20 boys will get more or lesser?
Less, sir.
less, sir.
Or it will get more. Children, direct proportion, children. If 15 boys are working 900 rupees, 20 boys will get more. So children, these both are direct proportion, 15 by 20. Okay. So children, 15 by 20. This is direct proportion. Sujit, if you work 5 days, you are getting 900 rupees. If you work 7 days, you will get more rupees or less rupees, sir?
Less, sir.
More you will get, idiot. 5 days if you work, you are getting 900. 7 days if you work, you will get more. Why you will get less rate? If you work like this, definitely you will get less only. 900 by x, these are also direct proportion. So 5 by 7. 5 days you are getting 900, 7 days you will get more. Right? What nonsense you are talking? This and this. So 900 into 20 into 7 is equal to x into 55. This both will go down. 900 into 20 into 7 by 50 into 5. 5 4s are 15,
1680.
So, 6, how much children?
Sir, 1680.
1680 rupees they will get, children. 1680 rupees, 20 boys will get in 7 days. 1680, 20 boys will get in 7 days. Try to understand, children. Very, very nice sums, children. Okay, next question. Seema weaves 25 baskets in 35 days. 25 baskets in 35 days. Okay, in how many days will she weave 110 baskets? Sujit? Sujit? Sujit?
Sir,
25 baskets are taking 35 days. 110 baskets if will take more days or less days? 25 baskets to weave, it is taking 35 days. 110 baskets to weave, will it take more days or less days?
More, sir.
more, sir.
Direct proportion. Tell me direct proportion. 25 by
25 by 110 is equal to 35 by x.
Tell me cross multiplication.
25 into x is equal to 110 into 35.
X is equal to tell na array 154 days. If you want to weave 110 baskets, it will take 154 days. It will take 154 days. You are not saying, Sujit, I am saying, you are not saying whatever I am asking, you are not saying. You are stopping in the middle. You can't stop like that. Vedant? Children, are you able to hear me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
No. Vedant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So question is like this, 10th question. Question is like this, see here. 1 second. 5 men take 8 days to complete the work. How many days will 12 men will take to complete the same work? Will they take more days or less days?
Sir, it will take less days, sir.
So they are in.
They are in inverse proportion.
So 5 by 12 is equal to
8 by 8.
x by 8.
X by 8, sorry.
8 by x is direct proportion.
Yes, sir, sorry. 12, 5 into 8 is equal to 12 into x. X is equal to 5 into 8 by 12. 8 and 12 cancelled. We'll cancel, we'll cut. 2, 4 and 6, 2 and 3. 10 by 3. X is equal to 3.333.
In 3 1 by 3 days, 12 men will complete the work. 12 men will take 3 1 by 3 days. Next, Pravalika.
Yes, sir.
Sunita can embroidery do a sari 15 days. So Sunita will do embroidery in 15 days. Okay. And her sister Abba is there who can work in 10 days. Abba can work the same embroidery in 10 days. They both started working together, but 2 days later, after 2 days, Abha left. Abha left. So, in how many days will the remaining work will be completed by Sunita? Together work is equal to 1 by
1
15.
by 15 plus 1 by 10
Okay.
is equal to 30 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. T is equal to 6
6
days.
days normally. In 1 day, how much they will do? 1/6 of the
1
work.
by 6.
In 1 day, how much they will do?
1/6.
In 2 days,
2 by 6.
2 by 6 means
1 by 3.
1/3 of work is
Done.
over. Very good. Done. 1/3 of work is done. Now, how much work is left over? 1 minus 1 by 3. How much work is left over?
2 by 3.
2 by 3 of work is left. 2 by 3 of work is left. Who has to do? Sunita. Sunita, 1 day work is how much? 1 by 50.
1 by
In how many days can she complete 2/3
2
of
by
work? Sujit, tell me cross multiplication.
1 into 2 by 3 is equal to x into 1 by 15.
Take this up and tell me.
X is equal to 2 by 15 by 3, 5, 10 days.
10 days. 10 days, Sunita can complete remaining work. Say.
10 days Sujita can complete the remaining work.
Can complete remaining work. 10 days. Sunita can. Rishikesh, are you there? Rishikesh,
Yes, sir.
12th sir. A and B can polish the floor in 15 days. A and B together can polish the floor in 15 days. A and B together polish floor. A alone can do one third. A alone can do one third of job in 15 days. Okay. No, this is 25 days. A and B together can complete work in 25 days. A alone can do one third in 50. In how many days B alone polish the floor? B alone work is how much?
Yes, sir.
A can do one third
One
of
by-
work in 15 days.
in 15 days.
Full work in how many
Full
days?
work in how many days?
Ah,
X 1 by 3 into x is equals to 15. X is equals to 45 days.
so together is equal
Together
to
they
1 by A plus
1 by a plus 1 by b.
1 by A is how much? 1 by 20.
1 by 25 is equals to 1 by 45 plus 1 by b.
Okay.
Uh, 1 by 25 minus 1 by 45 is equals to 1 by b. 1 by is equal
225, sir.
225 nines are
9 are and
7s are.
7. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Meghana. 1 by B is equal to
1
2
by
by
b is equals to
225.
2 by 225. B is equals to
Sir, 45
225.
fives are, sir, 225.
5 are okay. Okay, so 4 by 225 is how much? 4 5 is 20. 4 6 24.
6 24.
So 56
Six-
1 by
56
4
1 by 4
days.
days.
B is 1 day. B can complete work alone. We can complete the work alone in that many days, children. Okay. I hope you are able to understand, children. Next question. Next question. Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me next question. The next question is there like this. P and Q can complete the work in 10 days. P and Q can complete the work in 10 days. Q and R can complete the work in 12 days. P and R can complete the work in 15 days. How much time all of them will take if they work together?
Yes, sir. 1 by P plus 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 is equals to 1 by
1 minute. Next, this one.
1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 12 days. 1 by 12. 1 by 2. 1 by P plus 1 by R is equals to 1 by 15.
Add all the terms.
Yes, sir. 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R plus 1 by P plus 1 by R is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15.
2 by P.
2 by P plus 2 by Q plus 2 by R is equals to 60, sir. 6 plus 5 plus 3. 2 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 15 by 60. 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 1 by 2. 15.
4 that means 1 by 8.
1 by
If all of them work together, they can complete the work in
8 days.
8 days. 1 day work is 1 by 8. They can complete the work in 8 days if they all of them work together. Okay. Next, Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this one. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do a piece of work in 15 days. C and A can do a piece of work in 20 days. How much they will take to work together?
Yes, sir. Um, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 15. 1 by C plus 1 by A is equal to 1 by 20.
At all? 2 by A.
2 by A plus 2 by B plus 2 by C
Okay.
is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20.
1 by 20. The transformer work is not over near your house still? Meghana, tell.
Yes, sir. 2 into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 60 LCM. 12 5s are plus 4 plus 3.
Okay.
1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 12 by 60 into 2.
So 1 by
5s are
A
1
plus,
by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 1 by 10.
their 1 day work is 1 by 10. So in how many days they can complete the work?
10 days.
They can complete the work. They can complete the work in 10 days. Okay. Next children, next. They can complete the work in 10 days. Children, next one. Whose chance? Next one. Vedant. Vedant is there?
Sir.
Yeah, I told remaining sums, I think, ma'am. I'm sorry. I told remaining sums. Okay, children, that's it. Thank you so much. We have completed time and work, children. You have to practice. This will be the test portion for Sunday exam, children. Till then, we'll be doing science.